Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram emoji problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings. Now scroll down to the apps section. Now as you see, go to the search and search on Instagram. And now go to the storage. So here as you see we find this clear cache, click on it. And now go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart the phone. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data. But be careful, when you clear data, all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes databases, settings, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video.